morning, everybody. Don't mind that sound in the background. It's the airplane or jet. Anyway, remember to always eat breakfast, especially when you work at somewhere like Amazon, because you do a lot of carrying, lifting, and all that, and moving. So, and stay hydrated. Always stay hydrated. Fashizi just met up at Capone's, had some talk, good stuff. I'm gonna be doing some contests for them too. So hopefully everything goes well. And the dogs over there are so cute. Anyway, this is day 32, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to kill it. Let's go. I'm over here looking for building 158 at Makakai. Makakai. Yeah, I don't see it. I'm like, yeah. Mililani, baby.